Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional profile picture for your Instagram. So what you need to prepare is this two tool, Canva and also background remover. So I'm going to just use an online background remover. Let's just click on this remove.pg and you can just upload an image or drop the file in here. I'm going to use this one. You can tap on open and just wait until the background of the photo is removed. Okay, so after it's removed, you can just tap on download in here. Okay, it's done. Let's just close it and open Canva. In here, you just need to use a custom size. You can click on create a design in here and choose the Instagram post or square size. Click on it. Okay, so now after the canvas is open, you can change the background into the color that you want. You can also use a gradient color if you want to. So here I'm going to use this blue color. Okay, this one. And then you can just upload the image that you've already removed its background. Tap on upload and upload files. Here, click on the image and tap on open. Now just click on the image and it will be added into the frame or into the canvas automatically. You can resize the image now to fit into the frame just like this. For example, and then I'm going to just go to elements and find a circle. This one, just use this one in here, or you can also search for it. Search for circle keyword and go to it graphics and just find the circles that you want. I'm going to go with this one. Change the color into the one you want. I'm going to change it into white. This one. And adjust the size. So you can also just fit the photo into the circle. Just like this. So now after you add it, it will be fitted into the Instagram profile picture frame, the circles right here. And now it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks and subscribe. Bye.